I have all my supplies to paint. I have a pretzel rod, chocolate pretzel rod. I have Dr. Pepper, and I have a canvas, a little mini one. But we don't need that. That's... So, in all honesty, today, guys, we are going to be doing, welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations, your weekly inspiration for finding things you want to do, seeing something new, maybe checking out the different things that I found are really fun to participate in for art adventures, art things, which is what we're talking about today. Also, sorry if it looks all the way around really, really boring. That is because I am moving, and so when this video goes up, I will probably already be moved and doing more videos in my new place, but at the moment, everything that I love on my walls is gone, so it's all over behind the camera. So, with that said, that you didn't really need to know, but just so you know, we are doing the canvas project today. So this, I believe, is done out of the Brooklyn, I believe it's in Brooklyn. I could be wrong. Hold on, let's find out. Yes, it is the Brooklyn Arts Library. I actually, if you haven't checked them out, I will put a link in the description below, but they do the Sketchbook project, which is a bigger one that a lot of people have heard of. I actually participated in that first, and so that's where I found out about the Canvas project, because I already had submitted one of my sketchbooks to them. So that's also another thing. They continue to do that, where you pay, I believe it's $25, you get a sketchbook, you sketch in it, send it back to them, and they have one of the largest libraries of sketchbooks in, I believe, the whole world. So that's a really awesome thing to check out. Definitely check it out after the end of this video. But today we're going to be doing the Canvas project. There was 2,000 artists who got to buy one of these canvases, and in August they are going to be doing a compilation of all of them, and they will put it in a book, and then after that each one we will get sent a canvas that someone else has painted. So I will be getting a canvas from someone else, and my canvas will be going to them. So that's really fun, as well as you're given a word that is the prompt for painting, for your painting. So that's going to be fun. I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit that little bell icon. At the moment, I don't know where we're going to be at when this video uploads, so at the end of the video there will be probably something about whether it's hitting 50 or 100 or whatever we may be hitting at that time. But stay tuned till the end. Hope you enjoy. Comment below what you'd like to see me do next, and remember, you guys are awesome. Let's get started. Okay, so just really quickly, I'm going to open up. So this is the Canvas project. This is a little box it comes in. It did come in this little package. This just tells about the event and different things of it. And this is a package I'll be sending it back to them in. And so this is the inside of the package. We have my little card that I'm going to be sending, and this will go back with the canvas so that whoever gets my painting will be able to have a little card about my art, about the painting, about different things like that. So there is that of the Canvas project, and I actually have already seen it, but my word is group, and I've already kind of had an idea. I went through a lot of stages of going, I love wolves, I love animals, so I was like, do I want to do a group of animals? Do I want to do a group of people? And so I actually have, oh, and here's a comparison. My hands are very small, but it's still, so it's just a little bit bigger than my hand size. But back to what I was saying, so it is group, and I have had, in my old sketchbook that I did all of the mermaid drawings, I had this idea. I know that it's not a huge group of people, but I've had this kind of idea, and so that's what I'm going to be going for with this little canvas, is just to kind of try and emulate that. So with that said, let's get started. Welcome to my craft closet. That's actually a cupboard. So for my paints that I'm going to be using on it, I'm going to be using Master's Touch Acrylic. I buy these from Hobby Lobby. They're only does that say? $3.99. They're usually on sale. I really enjoy working with these. I don't like buying the super cheap acrylics just because I like how these work. And so these are kind of my in-between. And I'm sure someone out there is like, oh my gosh, $3 is like the cheapest you can get. Yeah, but this stuff is good. So, that said, we're gonna pull out this. Because I'm moving, I have a lot of this stuff already pre-packed in here really tightly, but we're gonna be moving this out. I need my apron. I need my apron. These are all of my acrylics. I do have another box of acrylics that I might pull out, and I need all of my paintbrushes. I have about 5 different sets of paintbrushes, but this is my master set, so it kind of just has every possible paintbrush I have. There is a lot in there. So anyways, with that said, let's get on to painting. Oh, before I forgot. So with the thing up here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a cup of water, and everything else will be what I've shown. So when I started out on this, I really wanted to do a lot of, I like starry skies and a dark city background. I don't know what it is, something about that is really magical to me, and I love doing those kind of cityscapes. And I really wanted to do, with the people, I didn't want to do any kind of dark outlining. When I do acrylic, I really try to push myself, because when I originally started, I only did outlining like you would do for illustrations. And so I really wanted to kind of pull away from just doing that one style. And so that's how I went about doing this. I really enjoy doing the colors and the different things of kind of mixing and blending this little group of people together. I don't really know how to explain how I paint, and so that might seem why I'm not really explaining super well, but stay inspired, guys, and just do what you love. Even if you can't explain it or can't tell people maybe how you do it, do what you love. It means a lot, and it inspires other people. It gives the world something incredible. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing how this canvas came about. And that is the finished canvas project, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing this. I really love doing this. I love doing the edges of canvases. I know that some people don't do that. I actually think it makes it look like it's a little bit 3D instead of just 2D. But yeah, that's the end of the canvas project. It will be in the booklet that will be coming out, so you can check that out in the description below. Thanks again for watching, guys. You are incredible. Be sure to hit that bell icon, subscribe up there, and there's a few more videos over here. Hope you guys remember, you are amazing. Love ya. Stay inspired. Stay amazing. Have a great week, guys. Bye.